In this episode of DPV, we're installing a couple creature comforts in Mama's Highlander. We're going to be putting in a dash cam and a remote start unit today. Both these items are listed as plug and play items. Get them on Amazon. You can, if you like anything, you can. We'll link them down below. But this dash cam, it's a integral mount, and so it's going to just mount. I believe parts of this mirror assembly come off, and then parts of this go on. So let's open this up and see what we got. Oh no, 2 boxes. Oh no, dude, I'm struggling. There we go. Oh, okay. Yeah. So it gets the power and everything. There's no wiring needed. There's this little splice wiring that plugs into the. I'm gonna pull this apart. There's gonna be some wiring, and yeah, I think I'll just show you. There are instructions. Shall I read them? Let's see how far we get without them. First, we're going to use our Lego separator tool. That's exactly what I think of when I see this, but I think it's just for like popping apart body panels. And I don't fit. Maybe I will take a gander at said instructions so I don't. So, wanted to get a dash cam because one, going to Alaska, I think it's gonna be kind of cool to get some video of some of the stuff that we're gonna be seeing as we're driving. And two, oh, I just hit you. Two, just last week I was rear-ended there. Oh, there you go. Maybe you just got to use a little bit more force. Nothing broke. We're good. Yeah, last week downtown I was driving along and stopped for that just pulls forward. Someone in the crosswalk, and yeah, got rear-ended. So that was fun, but no damage. Driving the Vic, so we're good to go. It's quite a bit of wiring for a mirror. The wiring here, this is where it gets its power from. That is quite a bit of wiring. There is no wiring in any of those vehicles in the mirrors. So it looks like it's this this big main connection here. The only reason I bought this one was because of this ease of wiring, and I think it's gonna be a really clean install. See here, oh, that comes apart pretty easy. I don't know why there is foam around this here wiring connection. Is it to keep it safe from the box? Oh, it's like glued on, so I think it does stay on. Oh, haha. Don't worry, I've comes with 2 complimentary zip ties and QC Plus. Okay. Oh yeah, the wire is plenty long. Oh, should I make sure it turns on first? Yeah, hey, before, look at this. Do we have a plan? I don't know. We're gonna just see. Oh, I'll probably put my foot on the brake to start it. Let's see if this thing turns on. It made a noise. All right. I mean, it's powered up. Should I, give me a second, let's get the app. So just scan the QR code in your book. Download app. Follow through, set it to select camera and Wi-Fi. Okay. It was there the whole time. It has a password, and I should have looked in the book. Passwords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No one used the same password as I. Check mark. Oh no, excuse me. 7, 8. Oh no, I didn't get the password right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect, connect. It's thinking. Oh look, it shows that I have a front camera. These guys also have one that like hooks together and it goes to the back as well. Oh look, that's actually so it's telling me I have a memory card issue, but like, I don't know if you can see this, but like the video quality is actually pretty stinking good. So yeah, I'm gonna get this up into place now. Make sure, ooh, that wiring is pretty long. I'll put that up in there. Stay, 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 okay. All right, well, let me snap this together here. Yeah, right there. Yeah, there you go. It just takes a little bit of a pop. So that wire is really long, and so I looped it. See, like it's looped down around down in here, and then it pops back up the side, and there's a lot of room in there for that. Then there's this new beauty ring that snaps in there. Oh, oops. Hey Dad, what's up? Hello?
All that would happen is like...
That's a butt dial. Does this hold this though? Nice recording. Yeah, okay, good. You got all of the... I was like, it is not like clipping in like the other one. So I think these are the retainers. And these retainers go right here. And I wonder if they're different on different mirrors is why they don't supply them. Either way, that should make click in now. Now that's better. Okay. Again, sometimes I surprise myself. Oh, and there's plenty of room. I don't know. I saw somebody or a couple of people that said something about like the wiring being super tight and hard to get all the wiring back up in there, but the wiring seemed like it went up in there pretty easy. But if I would have read the instructions, that was a 10-minute install that I stretched to 20. So yeah, now let's do some remote starts. All right, here we got the remote start, and I've used these ones before. See on my wife's minivan. Not sure if it's the same brand, but this is just download custom instructions here. Need technical support? No. All right, step one, we gotta take this whole dash part, not whole dash part, this lower dash part. So if you press without your foot on the brake, if you press your push to start 2 times, it'll put you in accessory mode, which, there we go. I didn't push it hard enough, or pushed it too soon. You can turn the steering wheel and pull these 2 screws. Okay, and then I think there's the lever here, up and up. Oh wait, the beeping. Please stop beeping. Alright. Then I gotta undo my Husky floor mats. They probably should be cleaned anyways. Oh, these floor mats are gross. Huh, that retainer is not there on this one. Huh, okay. This piece of plastic just pulls up. There's a 10mm retainer right there. And then using our sweet new Lego tool. I believe this is a fuse. It's our fuse. I thought there was fuses back there. There's not. I think there's 2 more. I thought there was a couple. Oh. There used to be a piece right here. You can see that it's broken out, and when the airbag deploys, it breaks this part of the dash, and the screws go there and there, and my dash doesn't have that. Probably because it has been in a wreck. Break the clamshell, break the hands, break the wrists. Alright. Oh, that one, the top one doesn't come off. There's that like leathery trim thing on there, so that doesn't. So then it just said, oh, I was wondering where Jessica was putting her change in this car. Huh, okay. There we go. I don't think you need to take it out all the way. If you can just get it down far enough to get your hands in there. The connection we're going to be working with is this one right here in the ECU. This one right here. I don't know if you can see that back in there. It's that upper one. First thing we do to wire this up is remove the steering lock module wiring, which is this wiring right here. It's this rear one right behind the big silver box. And then on our wiring, there should be something that looks much like it. Yep. This is just for the bypass for that. And so connect it. And connect it. Alright, it's hard to see back in there, but I got that ECU wiring out. Like I said, it's this top one right here. And just you push that little tab right there and pull it out. And then we're gonna snake this, our harness wiring, back behind this support. And then most of our wiring is gonna end up in this here void right here. So we're gonna run this wiring this way and back behind there. So got the wiring back behind this support right here, marked 4. And then we're gonna plug this one into the ECU, and the ECU wiring is gonna plug into this here B plug. Push it till you hear the click on both sets. Look at these big old nano grabbers. Push it in till you hear a click. Give it a little gentle tug to make sure that it's in there and secure. Bring it over here so you can see. But we just wired it, clicked it in, clicked the existing wiring in. With your blue LED on, we're gonna push the engine start 2 times with our foot off the gas. Okay, it's gonna blink really fast. And then you push it one more time. Okay, so the LED turned off. We hit the ignition again and everything turned off. So programming should be complete. So before we button this all up, let's put that there. Leave this all jankified. Ooh, make sure your dash doesn't. Find the keys and sweet. That works. Awesome. All right, next I'm going to jam all of this into that cubby. The only thing you really got to be careful of, there's only one mechanical thing in there, and that is your e-brake. I don't know if you can, if I can get you up in there, but the e-brake is a physical connection, and that is, mechanical linkage, and so you don't want to have your wiring anywhere. So once you get your wiring all in there, actuate your emergency brake and make sure that you're not binding up any of your wires. So jam that in there, jam that in there. Oh, there we go. So it's been about a week since I did the intake on this, and my wife's driven now a tank and a half of gas out of it, and it's 0.8 better for her driving, which is all of her That just pops in there, I guess, like that, yeah. So with her driving style, we got 0.8 better. Usually when I drive this, I get a little bit better gas mileage anyways, so hopefully we'll do some full runouts though while we're on our big trip. So now is the installation of these parts the same. So we're gonna hit the engine start 2 times with our foot off the brake so that we can oh, not that far back. And then just clips, clip, 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 clip. Now we'll turn the steering wheel as hard as we can. Put our screwdriver in. About the hardest part right here is the steering wheel. Damn you. Then get the Husky liner back in. Got it locked in. All right, sweet. Well, that is the installation for a dash cam and an MPC remote start system. You'll find both those items linked down below if you want to check them out. Also, you can buy the sweet merch, you know, wear our logo around. We got hats, we got sweatshirts, we got t-shirts, we got it all. Yeah, check out the link below. Well, we'll wreck it, wrench it, repeat. Until next time. Oh, I accidentally left this outside. Okay. Tomorrow, you.